How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some more simple Fox Body interior restoration parts. They are the oval access plugs or covers, and their job is to hide the retaining hardware for the center console. Resto's console access covers will cater to the Fox owner out there who are needing new ones because theirs are more than likely missing or damaged in some form or fashion. Staying on the topic of simple here, each cover is molded from plastic. It's going to feature that factory grain and texture, of course factory dimensions and tolerances, and they're currently available in a scarlet red or smoke gray finish. As far as fitment is concerned, these oval access covers or plugs will fit 1987 to 1993 Fox bodies. Now, for those of you out there that are going to have to paint yours to match, I would recommend purchasing the smoke gray plugs, as this kind of simulates a generic primer, which is a good neutral color to paint over. Now, a little disclosure, guys. Unfortunately, you can't always guarantee a perfect color match because of several variables. So please keep that in mind whenever you purchase one of the specific colors, or if you're going the route of painting your covers. Since these pieces are new, there is very little prep work involved. You'll start out by scuffing them with a light duty scuff pad, and then you'll wipe them down with a plastic safe wax and grease remover. Before you start painting, be sure you're working in a well ventilated and well lit area. I'm going to spray the underside of these plugs first, and this is referred to as cutting in the painting world, and to be honest, it's completely optional. Now, if you do paint the underside first, you won't require oversprayed on the top side if you were to do that in reverse order. When painting, you'll hold the can approximately 6 to 8 inches from the plugs. Apply light coats and allow 5 to 10 minutes for those coats to tack up. Make overlapping passes with medium arm speed. Now, once you've achieved adequate coverage, allow at least 1 hour to dry, and then you can flip them over and repeat the same steps on the top side. Of course, once that's finished, allow adequate drying time, and then you can install them into the car. If you're replacing your existing plugs or covers for whatever reason, the easiest way to remove those is to bring the plug away from the console with your fingernail, and then you'll want to carefully dislodge it with a plastic pry tool. Of course, do that for both plugs, and then you can install your new plugs into place. After that, you're good to go. All right, you gotta love and appreciate the simple stuff, guys. Resto's console access plugs or covers are a great pickup for any of you out there that are finishing off your Fox's interior. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.